How to update your information on the Sendit app. So first open the app if you haven't already. Then your home screen should look something like this. From here, you'll see your profile icon on the top right corner. Simply tap on it. Then again, tap on the settings icon, which is located on the top right corner. From here, tap on all settings option, which is located right below your link. And from here, you can change or update any information that you have. For example, if I want to change my name, I'll simply tap on change name, then type in my new name and tap on the save button. And it is that easy. This is how you can change or update your information on the Sendit app. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys next time.